If you've ever wanted to turn a Canva design into a GIF, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a GIF in Canva in just a few simple steps. This is perfect for social media posts, presentations, website graphics, announcements, and anything else where you want your design to move and grab attention. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Canva tutorials just like this. Now let's get into it. First, open Canva in your browser or open the Canva app if you're working on mobile or desktop. Once Canva loads, the next step is to open an existing design or create a brand new one. If you already have something made, just jump into that project. If not, you can start fresh and choose the format that fits your GIF, whether that's a social media graphic, a presentation slide, or a custom size design. After that, you want to add movement to your design. The easiest way to do that is by adding multiple pages where each page shows a slightly different version of the same design, or by using Canva's built-in animations. Multiple pages help create a frame-by-frame effect, while animations can add smooth motion to text, images, and elements. You can experiment with both depending on the style you want. For example, you might animate a headline, make an icon pop in, or create a simple before and after sequence across pages. Once your design is ready and you've added the motion you want, go to the top right corner and click Share, then choose Download. This is where you'll export your project as a GIF. In the Download menu, look for the file type option and change it to GIF. Canva may also give you extra options depending on your design, such as selecting specific pages. If you only want certain pages included in the GIF, make sure to choose those pages before downloading. This is especially useful if your project has extra pages you don't want in the final animation. Before you finish, double check that everything looks right. Make sure your animations are working the way you want, your text is readable, and the design flows smoothly from one page or animation to the next. Then click Download and let Canva process the file. After that, your GIF will be saved to your device and ready to use anywhere you need it. You can upload it to social media, embed it on a website, or share it in a message or email. And that's it. You've just learned how to make a GIF in Canva in a quick and easy way. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Canva tips, design tutorials, and simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.